Hello and welcome. I'm excited to walk you through a new Ideate Automation script that leverages BIMLink to seamlessly import data into your Revit model. With just a few clicks, the script pulls data from an external Excel file and pushes the data through a BIMLink link definition to update your Revit model automatically. The name of the script is IBL Import to Revit. Whether you're working with project data or updating parameters, this script does the heavy lifting so you can focus on design. I will demonstrate how powerful this script is during project setup, where it automatically creates new elements in the Revit model. Here's how the Office template file is set up. It's an out-of-box Revit project with a few views similar to what you would use for your own Office template. Elevations disciplines are set to coordination to support the creation of multi-discipline plan and enable placement of empty views on sheet. The file contains no sheets and uses default work sets and includes necessary view templates to be assigned to views when they are created. This task doesn't require work sets to be open, as BIMLink can import data to make changes with work sets closed, making the process highly efficient. When changes are synced to the Revit model, you can add a comment. This is the import Excel file location and this is how it's set up. Start by setting up levels, followed by work sets and sheets. Match the sheet name with the corresponding view name that will be created using the Excel formula. These formulas can remain in the Excel file without affecting the import. Next, assign the title blocks to the newly created sheets. Then create the floor plans, specifying the required family and type, along with the view name, which can include a formula concatenating the level name and subdiscipline. Finally, define the viewport placement on sheet along with their coordinate values. Returning to the script, the BIMLink definitions will be imported in the following order. First, create levels, then work set, followed by sheets, views, and finally, viewport placements on sheet. A BIMLink import message CSV file will be saved in a specified location and a report name. If there are errors during the import, the script will report a failure and prevent the data from being imported. Let's run the script. This will launch the appropriate Revit version and start importing BIMLink definitions in the specified order. The data import only took 51 seconds. Now, let's open the Revit model and review the changes. While the file is getting opened, we can also check the BIMLink import message CSV file to verify the updates made to the model. In the Revit model, you'll see that the views and sheets are created and the viewport names are correctly matched and suffixed with the level name and subdiscipline name.